Good morning, class 10th. Now, in the last class, we had completed laterite soil. We are studying the soils of India, alluvial, black soil and laterite soil. We have finished. Today, we will take the fourth one, arid soil. Now, arid soil consists of mainly the sand, alluvial sand, that is 90 to 95%, and clay percent is only 5 to 10%. Now, where this soil is found in India, the areas in India, so it occurs in arid and semi-arid regions of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and parts of Gujarat. So mainly this soil is formed due to wind, erosion and deposition. Okay. Now the next feature of this soil is usually very poor in organic matter, humus and moisture, as there is a very less vegetation. Okay, and due to high temperature, the microorganisms in this condition, they are not able to survive. As such, the humus content, that is organic matter, is very low. Now in this soil, the calcium content increases as we go deep inside, downwards, and the next layer of soil, that is subsoil, has 10 times more calcium than the topsoil. Okay, therefore the bottom horizon of the soil is mainly occupied by the concord. Okay, so due to presence of concord at the lower horizons, this restricts the infiltration of water through the soil. It restricts the infiltration of water through the soil. So infiltration is what? It is the process by which the water on the ground surface enters the soil. The water on the ground surface enters the soil. It is commonly used in both hydrology, okay, and in the soil science. Alright, so that process, infiltration process, that is restricted by the presence of concord. Next feature is the color of this soil. So this soil is mostly red and brown in color. And what is the texture? So due to presence of sand more, it is sandy in texture, okay. And the nature is saline. Due to presence of salt, the nature is saline. So nature is saline. Okay. Now this soil contains a considerable amount of soluble salt. So contain a considerable amount of soluble salt. So due to dry climate and absence of vegetation, as I told you, it also contains a very low percentage of organic matter. Okay. This soil is very infertile, but if we provide fertilizers, proper fertilizers and irrigation facility to this soil, the drought, especially the drought resistant and salt tolerant, okay, drought resistant plant which can grow in drought condition, dry condition, like barley, cotton, wheat, millets, maize, pulses, etc. can be grown, as it happens in western Rajasthan. Okay, now they get irrigation facilities in form of the Rajasthan Canal or Indira Gandhi Canal. So there is a facility of irrigation now, and therefore these crops are able to grow, particularly in parts of western Rajasthan. Next is, these soils are most characterized by their water deficiencies. Water is present in very less amount. Most arid soils contain sufficient amount of water to support plant growth for no more than 90 consecutive days. Alright, so water deficiency is there in this kind of soil. The phosphate content of this soil is very high, but nitrogen is low. Okay, nitrogen is low. So though nitrogen is originally low, but some of it is available in the form of nitrates. As the salt content of this soil is very high, so in some areas where salt content is very high, common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Okay, so therefore students, phosphates and nitrates make this soil fertile wherever moisture is available. So therefore there is a possibility of reclaiming these soils if proper irrigation facilities are available. So this is the areas, okay, in yellow color, areas of arid soil in India. You can see it is particularly found in the semi-arid and arid areas of Rajasthan, okay, parts of Gujarat, Punjab too, and Haryana. Alright.